Hi, my name is Tarry. I am a art director and UX designer. And in answer to the question, how would I describe myself and my work style? I have been in the design industry for over 15 years. My most recent experience has been creating mobile apps for healthcare clients. One of the reasons I enjoy this business is the interaction with clients and helping them visualize their goals. I have a reputation of getting things done and adapting easily to change. I fully enjoy working in the UX design as well as visual design and research environment. I love working in design and I'm excited to learn and get experience in every possible way. I'm looking for a company that values customer relations and quality work. I want to join a strong team and make a positive impact. In answer to the question, how do I evaluate success? I evaluate success by how well the intended project reached its target audience and solicited the desired outcome. In answer to the question, what motivates me, I would say a good creative challenge and a good cause. In answer to the question, what are my career goals? I see myself as a top-performing UX designer in a well-established company such as Curran Connors. I plan on enhancing my skills and continuing my involvement in professional associations. In answer to the question, why should I be considered for the position? I have the experience and the attitude to excel in this UX design position. I have almost 2 years of UX design experience, including 2 summers interning at Google and LinkedIn. I have been exposed to several UX projects. I've also worked as a freelance UX designer. I have a reputation of getting things done and adapting easily to change. I fully enjoy working in UX design as well as visual design and research. I love working in an environment where there are other people that I can collaborate with and we can toss ideas back and forth and come up with a solution. So I have a project sample that I would like to show you that directly relates to this UX position. This project is a mobile app and the target audience is patients who are on dialysis. And the first step in any project is research and really getting to know your audience. So first what I am showing you is a sample of the user flow that came out of questionnaires and other research that was done for this mobile app. The user flow is showing how the information in the app will flow for the target audience. After the user flow has been flushed out, now what I'm showing you is the architecture, also called the information architecture of the piece. It's just a more defined and refined example of the user flow, and it's also indicating the actual screens that will show and when they will show in the app as the user navigates through it. The next thing that you would need to do for a project such as this is wireframes. They're basically layouts of the app in just blocks and lines, no graphics and no color. It's just a very basic rendition of where things will be placed and generically how the interface will look and how the navigation will work in the app. After that has been flushed out, you also probably want to at that time do some sort of technical diagram that the developer will use as a guide in regard to which languages will be used to build the app. In this diagram, I'm showing the database and then the relationship to PHP, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery HTML API, and I'm proposing that this mobile app be built with PhoneGap as a means to let it be used on many different platforms, Apple and Android. After that is done, you can move into the visual design, and this is an example of an online prototype which shows, just clicking through, how the user will go from one screen to the next, and by doing the tasks that have been identified for the user to do, he will or she will navigate through the app, and the desired outcome of the patient finding foods, finding places where they can dine out, meal building, and using a scanner of outside products to scan them into the app can be achieved, and then the user would send this information to his or her dietitian.